Hi friends, welcome to my channel Simple Learning Tips. So today's video we'll be continuing part 2 of career management, and before that I really want to give a shout out to the university based important question set that I've created. I'll provide the link in the description box how to buy it, and also there is a video where I've dedicatedly prepared to buy this product, so you can check that out. It is very affordable. Please do check it out. Also, there is another set which is multiple choice questions for all competitive exams related to HR, NTA, UGC, net labor welfare is also available. All the details are provided in the link in the description box. Please do check it out. I'm sure it will be useful for everyone. I can guarantee that, so please do check that. So let's move on to today's topic, that is career management practices. So these are some 14 career management practices that has been developed. Now, if just you can go through it, it is very easy one, like, if there is any internal job openings, that should be mentioned. See, this depends on company to company, like whatever career management policies that they are going to adopt. Okay, but these are the basics. Okay, like there will be a retirement program, like what are the various retirement options that they are giving. Is there any voluntary exit option, or after retirement, whether they have, what are the various plans, whether there is NPS system, or what are the PF system, what are the various systems that are available. Okay, then if they want to move to any other department, okay, they might be working in IT but they want to move to marketing, so what are the how they can move to that department, that is cross functional experience, how they can achieve that. Now, how they can improve their performance so that they can climb up the career ladder. So all these practices are there in the organization. Next, like career workshops can be conducted. So like I have now whatever basic career issues are there, they can make it as a magazine or as a pamphlet or books, so that those issues are resolved in there, that okay, these are the things that you have to improve, or any circular can be issued where they can address these concerns, and they can tell that if there are issues, these are the things that you can follow. Okay, suppose people are worried that they are not getting the promotions. Okay, so they can mention that to get a promotion you have to get these certifications, or you have to achieve the performance to this level, these are your targets, and if you achieve this much target, this will be the score that you will, corresponding score that you will getting. So all these things can be included in career management practices. Okay, now next one that we are going to see is career management process. Now, first one is career management policies, which we already saw that what are the various career management policies. I'm not remembering, actually this was adopted by a particular person. I'll just let you know in the description box. Okay. Now, why these career management policies are important? Because organization should decide in order to achieve goals where they are going to hire the talents. That is very important, right? Organization, in order to achieve, and they have to find out whether there is any gap in the organization where they need to fill the vacancies. Okay, so they have to do all these things, and they have to decide from where they are going to hire the talents. Are they going to hire their own talents, that is by giving them promotions, or are they going for external recruitment where they are bringing best and where they are bringing best and fresh talents from outside. Okay, so a better what the career management policy would be helpful is that to hire the best talented person and who are doing well at their present job, and also to reward them accordingly. Okay, also in this career management policy, they have to, now these are the people who you want to, the talents who you want to bring from outside, or you want to groom your own talents, so that is them. Now in my last video I have mentioned about career plateau. Okay, those who some of the people who reach a certain position and they won't be going up further, because they will be stagnated there. So if they are working effectively, if they are good, it's just that they are bored or they are not interested. Okay, so you have to take care of those employees also. If you haven't checked out my first video about career plateau, I'll leave the link in the description as well as in the iCard. You can check that out so that you will have a better understanding what is career plateau. Okay. Now here, so those people who have reached that plateau, that stagnation stage, for them also, you can, what you can do is that you can give them more challenging jobs where they will find it, more interesting, and they will be more, they will not be bored basically. Or you can move into some other, functional areas, or some specialized assignment can be given to them. Even you can give them some assignments outside the organization, maybe the work atmosphere or the work environment, even the building, same building they are coming every year, so that might be bored for them. So you can give them specialized some kind of assignments where they have to work outside the organization, just to find out what are the various options that can be given, so that they will also come out of this plateau, if we feel that in the plateau stage also they are working effectively. So these are the various career management policies that an organization should adopt if they want a successful, if they want to retain and if they want to motivate their successful talents. Now, next step is talent audits. Now, this is what I said, like review of the stock of talents available, and also you have to fulfill the demand and supply. That is what is the basic thing about of HR. Okay, just understand the basics is that you have to find, correctly identify the demand and supply, where is there a gap, where is there is lacking, and you have to fulfill the vacancies. Now you just cannot simply fill the vacancies. Okay, you have to do proper auditing. Okay, you have to do the auditing of the talents. That is, you have to find out what is that, whether you can train your employees and then you can fill the vacancies, or you have to really go for external recruitment. Or and you also have to consider the cost also in mind. Okay, so all these things has to be taken care. And in this talent audit, see, you should have a pool of the various skills and capabilities that an employee is having. Why? Because this talent audit is the basic of succession planning, which is given in the left hand side of my left hand side. Okay, succession planning. Okay, succession planning also we have covered it previous video. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So in order to fill that top position, you have to find out the correct talent from the pool that you have created. Okay, so all these things you have to do, like mentioned here, demand and supply forecast of the vacancies. You have to do a talent audit. You also have to do the performance and potential assessment, which is the next step. Okay, now this, if you do a proper assessment of the performance and potentials, you will understand that what are the talent. Now this will contribute to talent audit as well. That is identifying the learning and development need. What is that? Like I said, say suppose there is a software developer vacancy. You have to find out whether, and there is a .NET vacancy. Okay, .NET software developer vacancy. You have to find out whether in other department, okay, whether in any other department, is there any person who is interested in this particular .NET, whether he already has given. See, might be while joining he might have joined as some marketing person, but he is also a computer engineer who knows about .NET. Okay, and he's very eager to work in that particular field. So you can ask him to switch to this department. If he is willing, you can give him an opportunity, you can give him training. So you are thereby, you are utilizing your own resources. So that also you can do at this stage. Then, even for an employee, he should know that, where his career is going. Okay, whether he is eligible for promotion, or in order to get promotion, what are the things that he has to do, whether he has to gain any additional qualification, whether he has to go for any other certifications. Okay, maybe certification in SAP, certification in WebEx, anything that he has to do so that he will get that promotion. That guidance and that support should be given to the employee. Okay, that is the next stage, that is career planning. Career planning, this is the definition of career path that an individual will go through. Okay, now if they want to advance in their careers within the organization, this is the path that they have to take. Now this, they have to use all the information that is provided by an organization. They have to use, see, we have covered potential and performance assessment. So whatever assessments are available, they have to assessment of talents, assessment of potential, and performance assessment. All these things they have to take care, and they have to decide, okay, this is the career path that I'm going to follow. Okay. And all these things, see, whatever steps that we have discussed previously, all these things will translate to an individual career development. See, I'm just giving you an example since this is an HR channel. Suppose you are joining an organization as an HR intern. Okay, and you want to know what will be your growth in that organization. This is just an example, a sample example. So suppose you joined as an HR internship, and you get to know that if you stick to that company and if you perform well in that company for 2 years or for let's say 1 year, you will be you will be getting the post of HR executive. Okay, so you are going to do that. Next, you know that, and if you have certain certifications like SHRM or any other certification, you can be promoted to HR associate within 3 years. So you know that within 5-10 years, where you will be reaching that company, you will be reaching what is your position in that company, what position you will be reaching in that company. Let's say within 10 years you will be reaching the post of HR manager, and what are the various compensation benefits packages that you will be getting. So you know that these are the steps, these are the path that I'll be moving if I'm performing well, and if I have all these skills and skill set and capabilities. These are the paths that I'll be taking. So you will be satisfied. And if you are a person who is ambitious, you will definitely try to climb up that career ladder, right? Career ladder means uh, there are a sequence of jobs with more responsibilities, and all this constitutes a career. Okay. Now, next one is development process and programs. Now, this means that you can set a competency band at each level. I've heard that in some companies, in order to get increment, also you have to write certain exams, and also, in order to get promotion, also there are certain basic exams that you have to clear so that you will be eligible for promotions. These are the things that will happen in this development process and program. So there will be certain programs, certain competency band, 1 2 like that, and in each level, in at each level you have to achieve that competency so that you are moving in the career ladder. Okay, so I hope you understood. That is, see, like I said, for being an HR manager, what are the various competency band that you have to reach to reach at this level? What are the various competencies that you should have? Okay, how you can reach to that particular position? Maybe apart from the skills and apart from the whatever exams I have told, maybe you should have a good interpersonal skills. Maybe you should improve your communication skills, your presentation skills. Okay, so all these skills also, along with the certifications, you have to improve. So you know that to reach to this level, these are the competencies that you have to have. Okay, so that will these things will help. See, if all these things, it's not that all the organization will be having it, but if all these things are defined and a person knows that these are the things that they have to, if there is a clarity in everything, I'm sure that nobody will think to jump to another company. You can reduce the attrition level, and also the employee will feel self motivated. And when an employee is feeling self motivated to work towards his own individual goal, that will indirectly help the organization also to achieve their goals. Okay, so these are the various development processes and programs, like whatever trainings they have to attend, everything will be mentioned in that. This is kind of a competency band 1, competency band 2. So if they have to reach that particular competence, that level, they should be having all these competencies. Okay, so that way you are grooming the employees so that you can go whenever any promotion or anything is there, you can hire from these, you can absorb these talents. Okay, so I hope it is clear. If there is any doubt, if you didn't understand any part of it, please mention in the description box below. And also, I've been getting a lot of messages about making videos in Hindi. So I'll definitely try to do that, but it will not be a pure Hindi video. It will be a mixture of English and Hindi, but I'll definitely try to work on it. Okay. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. DM for more topics, or even you can mention in the description box if you want me to discuss any other topic. So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.